good morning. We are continuing the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Next is preparation of aldehyde and ketone from acid chloride. Next method from acid chloride. From acid chloride, first method here that is known as Rosamund reduction. Rosamund reduction. This is the reduction of acid chloride with hydrogen in presence of palladium supported with barium sulfate. We get aldehyde. So what is Rosamund reduction? Reduction of acid chloride. It is the reduction of acid chloride with hydrogen in presence of palladium supported with barium sulfate will give aldehyde. This is a method of preparation of aldehyde, will give aldehyde. Okay, so the reduction of acid chloride, example CH3 COCl, acetyl chloride CH3COCl, acid chloride when treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate BaSO4, and of course a slight amount of quinoline. What we get CH3 CO group will be converted to CHO. So CH3 CHO acetaldehyde plus what will form? One hydrogen atom is added here, CH3 CHO, then Cl is there, one hydrogen atom is here plus HCl. This method is known as Rosamund reduction. This is a method of preparation of aldehyde. Okay, so keep it in mind, the reduction of acid chloride with hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate will give aldehyde. This is known as Rosamund reduction. CH3COCl, acetyl chloride. Another example, CH3CH2COCl plus H2. Same reaction condition, but we will get CH3CH2CHO plus HCl. Okay, clear? Now, B. When acid chloride is treated with the Grignard reagent. When acid chloride is treated with the Grignard reagent, we get when acid chloride is treated with Grignard reagent, Grignard reagent will give ketone. Okay, when acid chloride is treated with the Grignard reagent, we will give ketone. That means, look at here, example, CH3COCl, acetyl chloride is treated with the Grignard reagent, example CH3MgBr. As we have discussed earlier, look at here. In alkyl magnesium halide, the alkyl group is slightly delta negative and this part is slightly positive. Here in CO group is carbon is slightly positive and oxygen is slightly negative. Therefore, what will happen? This alkyl group, CH3 group, will attack on this carbon. Then this bond will be shifted to oxygen. Oxygen is getting full negative charge. That time the positive part, that means MgBr, is attaching to oxygen. And what we get, look at here, CH3. C, here it will become CH3, here it is Cl, and here it will become OMgBr. This on hydrolysis, H2O, H plus, this on hydrolysis, what we will get? We will get CH3, CO, CH3 acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3 acetone, plus what you will get? MgOH, Br plus HCl. Okay, this way we are preparing ketone from acid chloride. When acid chloride is treated with the Grignard reagent, acid chloride is treated with the Grignard reagent, we get ketone. Similarly, when acid chloride is reduced with hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate, we get aldehyde. That reaction is known as Rosamund reduction. So these are this way how we are preparing aldehyde and ketone from acid chloride. Okay, next is preparation of aldehydes and ketones from calcium carboxylate. Next method, preparation of aldehyde and ketone from calcium carboxylate. Calcium carboxylate. Okay, calcium carboxylate. When calcium formate undergo dry distillation will give formaldehyde. Okay, when calcium formate undergo dry distillation, or the dry distillation of calcium formate, will give formaldehyde. Calcium formate, how will you write calcium formate? What is formic acid? HCOH. That means calcium salt of formic acid. Calcium salt of formic acid is known as calcium formate. What is formic acid? HCOH. If it is sodium formate, what is that? HCON. Sodium formate. What is calcium carbonate? Since the valence of calcium is 2, what will get? HCO twice Ca. Clear? Okay, sodium formate is HCOON because sodium valence is 1. So what is sodium formate? HCON. Okay, since calcium is divalent, how will you write calcium formate? HCO twice Ca. This is calcium formate. Okay, calcium formate. We can write HCOO Ca. Here also OCOH. Correct? HCO twice Ca. HCOOCA. Okay, correct. On dry distillation on heating, what we will get? Look at here. CaCO3 will be eliminated. See, look at here. CaCO3. Okay, CaCO3 will be eliminated. Then what will be remaining here? HCHO. HCOH. That means HCHO formaldehyde plus what will form? Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Okay, this way we are preparing formaldehyde from calcium formate. When calcium formate is undergo dry distillation, or dry distillation of calcium formate will give formaldehyde. What is the actual structure of calcium formate? HCOO twice Ca. This is calcium formate, HCO twice Ca. HCO means HC double bond O twice Ca. Okay, this can be written like this, and calcium carbonate will be eliminated and we get formaldehyde. Now, other than calcium formate, if we take other calcium carboxylates will give ketone. Okay, that means B. Other than calcium carboxylates will give ketone. Okay, that means if you take any other calcium carboxylate, that means other than calcium formate will give formaldehyde, other carboxylate will give ketone. So look at it here. We are taking calcium, other calcium carbonate, we are taking HCH3 COO twice Ca. What is this one? Calcium acetate. This is calcium acetate because acetic acid is CH3COOH. calcium salt of acetic acid is known as calcium acetate. If you take calcium acetate on dry distillation, what you will get? Look at it here, dry distillation. This can be written like this: CH3CO. Here it is O, and here it is Ca. Again same thing, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, which on dry distillation will give again same thing. CaCO3 will be eliminated, and what we get? CH3CO, CH3. This part is eliminated. What is that? CaCO3, calcium carbonate is eliminated, and we get CH3CO, CH3. We get CH3CO, CH3 plus what will form? CaCO. Okay. I think it is clear to you. Next, we are passing to the preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Okay. Aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde. First method that is known as Aldehydes reaction. Aldehydes reaction. Aldehydes reaction. What do you mean by Aldehydes reaction? Actually, this is the oxidation of Aldehydes reaction is the oxidation of toluene with chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide or CCl4. Okay, oxidation of toluene with chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide or CCl4 will give aldehyde. Okay, so look at it here. It's oxidation of toluene. Okay, look at it here, toluene. Okay, that is CH3. This is toluene. Is oxidized with chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride in presence of carbon disulfide or what is that? CCl4, followed by hydrolysis H2O, H plus. What we will get? CH3 group will be substituted with the CHO. What we get? We get benzaldehyde. Okay, this is toluene, and this is benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Aldehyde reaction. So what is Aldehyde reaction? It is the oxidation of toluene with chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride followed by hydrolysis will give benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Aldehydes reaction. Look at it here. This is toluene is oxidized with chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 in presence of carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. These are used as solvent. Followed by hydrolysis, we get benzaldehyde. Okay. Now, other methods of preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Actually, these methods already we have discussed. Then also look at here. Other methods of preparation. Other methods of preparation of aromatic aldehyde. That means benzaldehyde. For example, see. Just now we have discussed COCl. What is this one? RCOCl. Acid chloride. Okay, this is acid benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl chloride RCOCl, acid chloride. Okay, what is the acid chloride? Is reduced with hydrogen in presence of PD and BaSO4. What type of reaction is this one? What is the name of this reaction? Rosamund reduction. So this the benzoyl chloride on Rosamund reduction. What we get? We get benzaldehyde. Okay, what is this one? Rosamund reduction. Rosamund reduction. Okay, Rosamund reduction. Similarly, if I take CN, what is this one? RCN, alkyl cyanide when reduced with the stannous chloride, SnCl2, stannous chloride and HCl, stannous chloride and HCl. What do we get? CN group will be converted to CHO. What is that? What is the name of this reaction? Stephen reaction. What is this one? Stephen reaction. Stephen reaction. Okay. And these methods also can be used for the preparation of benzaldehyde. And with this, we have finished the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. And next we are passing to the reactions of aldehydes and ketones, and that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.